Alright guys, so this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a training video. It's a very brief training video that we share with our graphic designers. The slides, honestly, especially the phase 2 slides. Not a huge fan of it, but it was a quick example. The whole point of it is, the whole purpose of it is that they got the idea of how the phases work in terms of creating micro content for our clients, so we have a massive library of it. And if you truly leverage this system, you can have a whole bunch of content just from one photo shoot. So enjoy, guys. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you, specifically with the graphic designer, how to create micro content. This is more like a brief overview, but I hope it gives you enough idea to get started when you hop on Photoshop and start making edits. It's very different from how you would do it from video editor, well, just different in general, but the concept is the same, which you create content within the primary piece of content. So for you, you'd be taking this image of Syrian, a dancer from one of our client accounts, and you just make it into different forms of content. It's essentially, as you can see on the right, it's kind of like a Instagram formatted 1080 by 1080, but you see then different compositions of how it's taken. Obviously, the resolution's got to be high for it to be edited this way, but we have 3 different phases, but I'll get to that in a bit. The reason why we do micro content is it allows us to create a massive library of images. Say the client doesn't have any content produced that month, we have a lot of this to refer back to, and it gives us choices. It gives us a lot of things to play with as we are, looking to create new content with a client. But this just gives us the opportunity to be flexible in what we have when it comes to posting on the social media end, which is huge, because when it comes to social media, content is insanely important. So we go through, for the images, for you go through 3 different phases. For the first one is you create multiple compositions of that one image. As you can see, like a slightly playing with the thirds here, coming in closer. The next one would be playing with the company colors. This is hideous company colors. It's not their colors, but this is just what Google Sheets gave me that popped out and didn't completely, lose the person in the shot. But say it happens to be brown and yellow. What you would do is you would take whatever, like these multiple compositions, and then you would apply the company colors on it. It kind of starts branching out more and more as you go into these different phases, because these multiple compositions, say you just want to hovering right now, you can go and create more. This one could easily create, say their colors are brown and yellow. You can easily create an additional two more pieces of content, as you can see. And then the third phase would be quote cards, inspirational texts. I think that meant to be call to action texts, because now you can go from this composition right here, then add some company colors, and then you can do that same thing by adding different quotes that we have on the spreadsheet, or simply saying thank you cards, or a call to action by saying go to our website. Depends on the client if they want that, but some of them will have that. So it gets, like I said, it branches out more and more in each phase, and gives us more opportunity to post a variety of content through the same thing. So yeah, the goal is to try to get as much as we can. I'm not expecting you to go through every single multiple composition that you have, because that would take forever. But what I would like you to do is to pick the best ones you think, to add the company colors, and then from the company colors and the best multiple compositions, you would add quotes and inspirational texts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So just to reiterate, this is probably from me as well, to make sure that I'm explaining myself as best I can. Pick the best one here, create company colors. Pick the best ones from multiple compositions and company colors, make inspirational text. And then from there, upload it to the appropriate deliverables or folder that you got it from, and notify me or the team for the respective accounts that you have made some new edits, so that way the social media managers will be able to know that there's new content for them to work with. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.